Mindful eating for weight loss isn't a diet, it's a skill. In 2 minutes, learn a mindful eating practice that cuts calories. Stay to the end for a 10-second routine that makes mindful eating to lose weight automatic. Quick definition: mindful eating means full, non-judgmental attention to food before, during, and after bites. So hunger and satisfaction lead, not habit. Why it matters: when we eat distracted or fast, portions inflate. Awareness trims intake by helping you feel satisfied sooner. No willpower battle. Meet Alex. Desk lunch. Sandwich vanishes. One mindful lunch. Sit, breathe, taste. Stop it comfortable, not stuffed. Steady energy, no crash. Use the BITE framework for mindful eating weight loss. Breathe, investigate, taste, exit. 4 tiny moves, compounding results. Breathe. 1 slow inhale, longer exhale. Signal calm and presence before the first bite. Investigate. Rate hunger 1 to 10. Notice flavors, textures, emotions. Curiosity beats craving. Taste. Smaller first bite. Chew fully. Set utensils down between bites. Track flavor fade. Exit. Stop it comfortable, not full. Save the rest guilt-free. Future. You still wins. What if weight loss felt easier because you simply noticed more? Small pauses shrink portions, meal after meal. Speed bump rule. Halfway through, pause for 3 breaths and re-rate hunger. Under 4, box it up. Your turn. Which cue will you try first? Breathe, investigate, taste, or exit? Comment below. Rapid recap. Mindful eating for weight loss equals attention, not restriction. Use BITE. Add the speed bump and watch portions right-size without tracking. Before every first bite, breathe, scan hunger, take a small starter bite, set utensils down. Repeat daily for effortless mindful eating to lose weight. Subscribe.